paradise of toys! Hi, I'm Ducky. I love squeaky things.
And I'm Cheep, tiny but speedy.
Milo the cat, toy explorer.
That wind-up fish is calling me. Quack, it's shiny.
Dibs, just kidding. Maybe we share. After it! Go, go, go! A little help.
Hold on, Captain.
Emergency landing protocol. Peep, peep. We made music. One hit wonder.
Best landing ever!
Tickets, please.
First class feathers only.
Gotcha.
Teamwork for the win!
Sharing time. We take turns. Quackcepted.
Fair and fun. Best toy day ever. Let us come back tomorrow.
Adventure unlocked.